Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas elf. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our little Christmas elf, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come right across. Next, let's make a big smiley face for the head. So I'll make a line that's going to come down and back up here. I'm going to add a small little line at the end just to make it look like part of the hat is sticking out. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up on each side. And then I'm going to make a nice line across here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point and back down here for a nice tall elf hat. Then let's draw a circle at the very end for a bell, and then to make it look like a bell, let's add a little plus sign on here. Now right across here, I'm going to make some little curved lines for just some extra detail on our little elf hat. Out here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to bring it down here for the ear. Let's do the same thing over here. Let's go out, and then let's curve it down for the ear. Then I'll make a little line inside of here for the inside of the ear. Now let's make the face. Let's begin by drawing a circle for the eye. Leave some space and we'll make another circle right over here for the other eye. I'm going to make a black dot inside each one, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white for a little reflection. Now I'm going to make a little oval shape for the nose. We'll make a nice big smile, and then a really tall smile right here. Make a little line across for the tongue, and then we can go ahead and color in the inside. Then right here, I'm going to make a couple little pointy lines for the hair. Then I'll make a little line that comes up here, and a little line that comes up here for some more hair. Now let's make the collar of the shirt. We're going to make it nice and pointy. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to go out and then up. We'll go down and up, and then down and then up here for the collar. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and then another little line down. And then I'll make a little line across. And then right here, I'll make a line across again. And then I want to make a belt buckle. So let's add two lines. And inside of this belt buckle, let's make a little square. Now let's make the bottom of the shirt kind of pointy. So let's make a line that comes out on each side. And then let's connect it with a little zigzag line. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down, and then I'm going to bring it right back towards the body. Do the same thing here. Let's go out. We'll come down, and then we'll bring it right back towards the body for the arms. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes down on each one. We'll make a little bump at the top for a thumb. Then I'm just going to curve it around here. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll just curve it around right here. Now for the leg, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then we'll just bring it back. And then same thing here, just go out, and then just bring it back. I'm going to make a little zigzag line on the top. And then for the pointy shoes, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up. Then we'll bring this back and connect. And same thing here, bring it back and connect. Then we'll add a little circle on the end for some bells. And I'll put a little plus sign on each one. And then just to finish it off, right here, I'm going to add a little candy cane. So I'm going to make a little hook shape. Then I'll make another hook shape that comes right down and connects. Now I'm going to add a couple little lines coming right across here. And there you go, there's your drawing of a cartoon elf. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.